Hello everyone. Now we will try to apply Cartesian sign convention for this ray diagram. Once again, see this ray diagram. This is concave mirror. As you know very well, it always form real and inverted. Object at infinity. Nature of the image real inverted. Size of the image diminished. Object beyond center of curvature. Image is formed between C and F. Nature of the image real inverted. Size of the image diminished. Now, like that, at center of curvature, image is formed at center of curvature. Nature of the image real inverted, same size. Real inverted, same size. Between C and F, object, image is formed beyond C. Nature of the image real inverted, magnified. At focus, image is formed at infinity. Nature of the image real inverted. Size of the image again magnified. So it always formed real inverted. Size of the image, point size, diminish, same size, magnified. Real inverted, all this. But when the object is between pole and focus, object between pole and focus, image formed is virtual and erect. Size of the image is magnified. For this ray diagram, children, watch this ray diagram, listen to my lecture carefully and try to understand, learn to draw this ray diagram perfectly. Now, we will apply Cartesian sign convention for object distance, image distance, focal length, height of the image and height of the object. As you can see, first object distance. What is object distance? Distance measured from pole to object. AB is the height of the object. So, from pole to B is object distance. It is negative or positive. It lies in front of the mirror. Any horizontal distance lying in front of the mirror, we are measuring horizontal distance opposite to the direction of incident ray. That is, whenever we talk opposite to the direction of incident ray, in front of the mirror. So object distance in front of the mirror, it is negative. Image distance. You see image distance in this case, children. Real inverted image. Image distance will be always in front of the mirror. It is negative. But in this case, when the object between pole and focus, image is formed behind the mirror. PB, this is image distance. Image distance. It lies behind the mirror. We are measuring the horizontal distance in the direction of incident ray. That is behind the mirror. That's why here V is positive. PB dash is positive. Why it is positive? Because it lies behind the mirror. We are measuring the horizontal distance in the direction of incident ray, that is behind the mirror. Any horizontal distance you are measuring behind the mirror will be positive. Any horizontal distance you are measuring in front of the mirror will be negative. Number of times I told you in my lecture, in my videos. Please check those videos and then you will understand that perfectly. Okay, Rajendra? Now, next one, focal length. Distance measured from pole to focus is focal length. It lies in front of the mirror. Focal length of concave mirror is always negative. So that's why it is focal length is negative. Height of the object, AB, is the height of the object. It lies above the principal axis. So it is positive. Height of the image, again it lies behind the mirror and above the principal axis. A dash, B dash, above the principal axis. A dash, B dash, above the principal axis. If you are measuring vertical distance above the principal axis, positive. Below the principal axis, negative. So this is Cartesian sign convention. What is different here? Real inverted image distance is negative. Height of the image is negative. Remaining all negative only. Virtual erect image. Height of the image is positive. Image distance is positive. This is the difference we have. Why it is positive? Why image distance is positive? Because image lies behind the mirror. Why height of the image is positive? Height of the image also lies behind the mirror. That's not the case. Vertical distance above the principal axis. It lies above the principal axis. That is the reason why it is positive. Remember these things, children. So this is the last ray diagram we have. In case of concave mirror, converging mirror forms virtual erect enlarged image only once when the object is placed between pole and focus. The other statement is when the object distance is less than focal length. Now, we will see the application of this concave mirror when the object lies between pole and focus. How it is useful in our daily life. Application. When object is placed between pole and focus, object distance is less than focal length. Remember that? Object distance is less than focal length. When the object is between pole and focus. Where is image formed? Behind the mirror. Nature of the image, virtual and erect. Size of the image, enlarged. How it is useful in our daily life? How this mirror help us in our daily life? It is used by dentist. If you go to a dentist, why do we visit a dentist? When we have some problem in our tooth. And how doctor will check it? The problem in tooth. Yes, patient has to open his mouth. Can doctor able to see? No. What doctor uses that? He uses what? Concave mirror. When he places the concave mirror in the tooth of the mouth, the object distance lies between pole and focus. When object distance lies between pole and focus, size of the image is enlarged. Small tooth in our mouth. When you look into the concave mirror, then the object tooth will be in between pole and focus. It gives you the magnified image. Then doctor will come to know about the status of the tooth, problem in the tooth, whether it's decaying or some problem, something, he will come to know it. Accordingly, he will treat the patient. So when the object is between pole and focus, it helps a dentist in checking the problem in the tooth of the mouth of the patient. So that is how it is useful. Because it forms what? Not real inverted, virtual erect magnified image. It's the only mirror, concave mirror, which gives you virtual erect magnified image. Second, it is used as shaving mirror, concave mirror when the object between pole and focus. When you keep concave mirror very close to your face, it helps you in shaving. So you can do proper shaving. Sometimes we see many of our friends in our society, most of them, they do not shave things properly because they may use some other mirror. If they use concave mirror, it gives them the enlarged image, roots of the hair they can see clearly and do the shaving properly, neat, clean shave. So it helps with the object in pole and focus. When you place the mirror close to the face, it helps in shaving. Not only that, ear, nose, throat specialists also use concave mirror. It is used as makeup mirror. At the time of marriages, bride, do makeup and all that, lips, lip liner and all that. They do so many, makeup. For that they use what? Concave mirror. It helps them to see things magnified, big size image. So these are the applications of concave mirror when the object is between pole and focus. Object distance is less than focal length. Nature of the image is virtual erect. Size of the image is magnified. I am going to give some questions in my assignment. Please do attempt those questions. If you are not getting any answer, please get back to me. Many of you are not answering anything. So I don't know whether you are answering or not. I will check. Please, whenever I give assignment, if you are not getting anything, any answer, please ask questions. Do not simply ignore and see and just do not do anything. No, don't keep quiet. Do the work properly. If you're not getting, ask questions. Clear your doubt. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Tomorrow I'm going to give along with these videos assignment. Complete that assignment. Okay. I'm going to catch you in my next video. Till then, be safe at home. Thank you very much.